Amazon AWS EC2 Fundamentals. Hello everyone and welcome to this video on AWS EC2 Fundamentals. In this video, we will be discussing the basics of AWS EC2, including what it is, how it works, and how to use it. What is AWS EC2? AWS EC2 stands for Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. It is a service that provides resizable compute capacity in the cloud. With EC2, you can launch virtual machines, VMs, that are pre-configured with the operating system and software that you need. How does AWS EC2 work? When you launch an EC2 instance, AWS allocates a virtual machine to you. This VM is isolated from other VMs, and it has its own CPU, memory, storage, and network resources. You can then connect to your VM using a variety of methods, such as SSH or RDP. How to use AWS EC2? To use AWS EC2, you first need to create an AWS account. Once you have an account, you can launch an EC2 instance by selecting the operating system and software that you need. You can then connect to your VM and start using it. Once you're connected to your EC2 instance, you can start running applications. You can also use EC2 to store data, run databases, and host websites. Useful commands. Here are some useful commands that you can use to manage your EC2 instances. EC to describe instances. This command lists all of your EC2 instances. EC to start instances. This command starts a stopped EC2 instance. EC to stop instances. This command stops a running EC2 instance. EC to terminate instances. This command terminates an EC2 instance. Additional information. In addition to the commands listed above, there are many other commands that you can use to manage your EC2 instances. You can also use the AWS Management Console to manage your EC2 instances. The Management Console is a web-based interface that allows you to view and manage your AWS resources. I hope this video has helped you to understand the basics of AWS EC2. We have discussed the basics of AWS EC2. We have learned what EC2 is, how it works, and how to use it. Thank you for watching. Associative, your gateway to innovative IT solutions and digital success. Boost your business with Associative's comprehensive services. Android app development, iOS app development, cross-platform app development, web application development, website development, digital marketing, search engine optimization (SEO), YouTube marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, market research services. Leveraging cutting-edge technologies. We possess expertise in a diverse range of programming languages and technologies. Our proficiency extends to the following: C++, Java, Jakarta E, Spring, Spring Boot, Hibernate, EJB, and Java Persistence API, JPA, Kotlin, Swift, SwiftUI, Flutter, and PHP. We employ a variety of robust databases to facilitate our work. Our preferred options include Oracle Database, MySQL, and Microsoft SQL Server. For application server requirements, we rely on reputable platforms that offer reliability and efficiency. Our preferred choices encompass Oracle WebLogic Server, Eclipse Glassfish, and Apache Tomcat. Our team possesses expertise in a wide range of platforms, ensuring we can cater to diverse needs. We have extensive experience in working with Laravel, Selenium, Appium, Magento, WordPress, Joomla, OpenCart, Drupal, Shopify, and PrestaShop. These platforms enable us to deliver comprehensive solutions tailored to our clients' specific requirements. To facilitate our development process, we employ a suite of industry-leading IDEs and development tools. Our toolkit includes Android Studio, Xcode, IntelliJ IDEA, PHP Storm, JetBrains Aqua, CLion, and DataGrip. These robust tools empower our team to efficiently create and enhance software solutions while maintaining the highest standards of quality and productivity. To meet the diverse cloud computing needs of our clients, we possess expertise in multiple industry-leading platforms. Our proficiency extends to Amazon Web Services, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, Microsoft Azure, and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI. These platforms offer a comprehensive range of cloud services and solutions, empowering us to architect, deploy, and manage robust and scalable applications with enhanced security and reliability. Amazon Web Services, AWS. Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Microsoft Azure. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI. Contact us now via WhatsApp at 90288505524. Email us at info@associative.in. Visit our website at associative.in, associative.co.in. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your business to new heights with Associative's tailor-made solutions. Our team of experts is ready to collaborate with you and help you achieve digital success. Unlock your potential with Associative.